want to show you here, guys. I have about this truck, '05 sporty Trac with no AC. So there was no accumulator, no AC filter. The vibrator was bad too, was leaking. The line is this mess. AC compressor not working. A lot of problem. So what I found here, the first thing after I replaced all this sensor was bad. So when I bypassed this wires connected together, the AC compressor clutches start working. So I replaced this sensor also, and then when I charge it, I installed blowing warm AC. First thing I seen here, this sensor was rusty. You can see one of this leg is broken inside the plug right here. And I got a new one, Resistor, this part number from AutoZone. It's only 15 bucks. I believe this is to control the fan. I don't know how the fan is working and blowing air with this not connected at all, because you see this leg is broken here. The bottom right one is broken, rusty. I don't know how it works. The second thing I have found, there was no Orifice tube over here, and that's why it was no AC, blowing cold. I just ordered it also from AutoZone. This one was $19. There is one for $2.99, but not the same one for this kind of truck. So I ordered this one. I'm going to install it and add some oil. I will charge it. I believe this is gonna be the final. I believe it's gonna work. Please like my videos. And the new rules for the YouTube, I have to have 10,000 subscribers. Not sure if it's 1,000 or 10,000. So if you guys please can subscribe my video, like, so keep going doing my videos. Thanks for watching.